Make a great choice today with the 2020 Ranger. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, four-cylinder, 2.3-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, security system, MP3 player, lane departure warning, cruise control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.